Rosemary is a fragrant evergreen shrub native to the Mediterranean region, that is utilized in culinary condiment cuisine all over the world. Popularly known for being a culinary herb, rosemary is a member of mint family, and has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Its leaves are eaten fresh or dried, and it's also used to make tea and infused oils. Rosemary can also be used as a marinade for lamb, hog, or chicken. Rosemary has been used for therapeutic purposes for millennia, but scientific research has only lately confirmed these claims. According to preliminary research, rosemary is a significant addition to the diet, since it provides a wide range of elements that are necessary for good health. Rosemary has a flavor that is pungent, bitter, and astringent. Unlike many other herbs, which lose their strength when dried, rosemary keeps its flavor. Soups, sauces, stews, and bird roasts all benefit from its flavor and scent. Rosemary is well known not just for its flavor and aroma, but also for the numerous health advantages it provides. Rosemary has been used for therapeutic purposes for millennia, and is a good source of iron, calcium, and vitamins A, C, and B6. Take a look at these rosemary health benefits. This medicinal herb will be in your hands. Enhancing digestion. Rosemary is commonly used to relieve stomachache in Europe. In reality, rosemary has been certified for the treatment of indigestion, because of its anti-inflammatory and stimulating properties. Adding rosemary in your diet can help you quickly control your bowel movements and gastrointestinal system. It should be noted, however, that there is currently no credible scientific data to back up this claim. It has the potential to improve brain function. Rosemary was used to improve memory in ancient times. Inhaling rosemary oil helps flare up chemical in the brain that is vital for thinking, focus, and memory, according to research. When compared to breathing lavender oil or other essential oil, participants who breathed rosemary oil while taking a test reported increased focus and information retention. It has the potential to assist in the relief of pain. Rosemary oil is used as a pain reliever in folk medicine. Preliminary research suggests that it may be more helpful than acetaminophen in relieving pain. Because of its analgesic properties, rosemary has been administered topically to the painful area in the form of ointment for many years. When taken orally, rosemary relieves pain such as headaches and discomfort caused by that condition. In fact, one of the most common uses of rosemary is for migraine relief. May help with stress and mood. In those people with chronic anxiety or stress hormone imbalances, the aroma of rosemary has been linked to enhancing mood, alleviating stress, and clearing the mind. Similar effects can be obtained by consuming the plant or applying it topically in the form of a leaf balm or aromatherapy. Improve circulation. Blood circulation problems are a typical complaint. It's particularly noticeable in your hands and feet. Rosemary oil is worth considering if you have cold fingers and toes, even in moderately mild temperatures. Rosemary is a stimulant for the body. It increases red blood cell formation and blood flow. This aids in the oxygenation of essential organ and bodily tissues. Promote hair growth. Rosemary oil has long been recommended as a natural treatment for premature hair loss. Some of the same benefits may be obtained by drinking rosemary tea. Rosemary tea improves hair follicles and promotes hair growth by increasing blood circulation. Increased circulation also helps to provide important nutrients to hair follicles, which aid in the development of stronger hair threads. To promote hair development, apply rosemary tea topically as a hair rinse or shampoo. A rosemary hair rinse can aid in the removal of dandruff and product buildup that can weigh hair down. Fight bad breath. Rosemary essential oil contains antimicrobial properties, making it an efficient breath freshener. By adding a bit of rosemary oil to water and swishing it around, you can use it as a mouthwash. It not only combats bad breath but also reduces plaque accumulation, cavities, and gingivitis by destroying germs. How to make a rosemary tea. 1. In a kettle, boil 1 cup of water. 2. While waiting for the water to boil, chop into pieces 1 teaspoon of fresh rosemary leaves, 3. Put the fresh leaves to the boiling water for about 3 to 5 minutes. The tea is ready to drink. We hope you found the information in this video useful. I hope all of us are in good health. As always, this video is for educational purposes only. Please consult your doctor before making any decisions. Also, please do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe and like button. It really helps support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you.